Şöyle oyuna biraz baktım. Sütun düzene bakıyorum ben, biliyorsunuz. Yirmi iki, 25 ne yapar? Şöyle 2 liradan 6, 36, 13, 17, 24, 1. Şöyle alalım. Girdik bakalım. At 28 bize. 600 buradan var. 1400, 2000 küsür de böyle var. Şimdi 19, Allah seni kahretmesin. Bu ne ya?
Two blacks, they can curl and blow in even number. This is a hurt number. That's four times six, hot low number. It's getting hot in here, so place out all your bets. Hotter. Place your bets. Yeah, high spare, take number one for a Michael. Don't forget about the answer play. Let's say hello to all of you from this. Hi. If you have any questions about the game whatsoever, just ask. But generally speaking, the most important thing you gotta know, place and straight the bets. Straight the bet is the only bet against
8, 8, 21. 6, 8 olur. 20 olacak. Hadi be.
Fine job with the straight up bets.
Gönder bakalım.
The betting time is over now, so what's this? I have a question for Ziggy. Ziggy, are you in the UK? No. 11, 15, 36, 100x for 15,
Hepsinde
36.
varız.
You're not in the UK.
Kat bir X bize.
We're Latvia.
Hop,
Have you ever
11.
heard of Latvia, Ziggy? Woo! Lightning, Sparks 5, this 11 black lines. UPA, Latvia,
11
second.
güzel.
470 victories over the club.
3,
Anything down
11.
right now, 239, you get the 58 because you played straight up at 3700 for the 8, 880 and 1100 for 123. Like the betting, but if you bid, play, your bid is welcome. Well, let's do the thing.
3, 11. Şöyle 30, 27, 6.
Let's go. Let's go.
Gönder bakalım.
Have you ever been there? Ziggy? Lightning, 7, 9, and 36. That is 400 extra, and I'm looking
At bir de 36'yı bize. At bize 36'yı. 33.
Thank you very much, Shirley. My beer likes a bit. 33 back, tier 6, third column, third isn't. High number. 475 is the bit of time right now. You want to push your best with this complete. 65 under the high spade, this round goes to the edge. We got Wayne Stud, Ukrainian Stud. Raluka, 779, second highest spade. Let's go. Best lad, good luck. Nicky, where you from yourself? So yeah, no, we're back. Right now we focus your attention on line. And this round we've got one line number, that's a 9, and that is 100 exposure buyer. 224 straight up edge this number, so
4 gelir mi acaba?
for a lightning strike.
1,
One red dot.
33, 1.
Lower number. Hot number. Spicy.
1. O zaman 6, 15,
5
24, 33.
Carry on. Top of the play is well available. Number 1. Let's go. Okay, Nedal. Nice work, second.
Kısa sürede ikiye katladık ya. Güzel.
Let's round through that number. See, we got the number 16, see, and 32. That's the next. Yeah, good luck. Ball. 16, please. And now the number this round is 30 red from the third column. There doesn't end your section. Congratulations to all the winners who winning time is available. See what else we can line up a big one as well. With straight the best we will reach 591 for Swagger and Wales. Dog with a 822 4 6 Slurry. You can see the shiny numbers of ones with the main straight of bets. Then time's over. Hello to the newcomers. Reminding you to gamble responsibly. Please don't gamble more than you can please. Let's be adults and let's be simple. Lighting numbers for this round include number 8, number 13, number 22, 500 and 200 exposure points available then. That is a 3 reds. It is orderly number. Her number was the division for section number 400.
Şöyle yapalım.
I'm certain in your country actually is very what? Big roller, you from the south?
Şimdi 9, 18, 33, 24.
West Glass, wait, what? You're offended me with your country accent, can you? Well, I can just change the accent if you don't like it. Or this round, we've got ourselves a 19 and 22. Those both 100
İkisinde de varız.
Now, is this action better? Big roller? I mean, you don't like this one, I'm changing to do another one as well. Well, this very round,
Onda da varız. Hem de çok güzel varız.
first colour. White here, lads. That does look like those here section
Oh.
number. This very round
Şu
now,
an.
what, 410 victory. Having you betting time available at the very highest payout, 736 for Judah. Now, Showry with a 460, 300 for Samat. Now, can light up some, can light up the bid with these straight up betties.
15 yapabilir. 15, 2, 4 veya şuraya 24, 33 de yapabilir. 35'e verdi. 16 bak 24, 33 yaptı. 16. Bu da gelmezse 5000'de bırakalım beyler. 4'te varız 29, 39. 16, 4 yapar mısın? Yaparsın. Sıcaklarda 4. Ama 31. 31. Şimdi şöyle yapalım. Burada bırakalım. 4'te varız. 12'de 9, 16'da 9. Neyse burada bıraktım arkadaşlar. Hiç X'e gerek kalmadı. Dış çevreden bitirdik olayı. Oyunun sizlere açıklama kısmında arkadaşlar. Kanalıma da abone olup bana destek olursanız sevinirim. Hoşça kalın.